Ever wondered why the tomatoes from your grandma's garden tasted so different from those you buy at the store? It's because they're likely heirloom varieties, boasting a diversity of flavors and characteristics. Unlike the uniform mass-produced supermarket varieties, heirlooms are a cornucopia of unique shapes, sizes, and colors. Each variety has its own distinct taste, texture, and story to tell. Heirloom vegetables are not just a part of our culinary history, but a flavorful and exciting addition to any garden or kitchen. Imagine biting into a juicy, brandywine tomato or slicing up a Cinderella pumpkin for your next pie. Now let's delve deeper into this world of heirloom vegetables. Each one, a hero in its own right, offers unique flavors, growing conditions, and culinary uses. Take the brandywine tomato, for instance. With its rich, tangy flavor, it's a summer favorite that thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Then there's the Cinderella pumpkin, not just a beauty to behold, but also packed with sweet flesh, perfect for pies and soups. Next in line is the rainbow carrot. This delightfully colorful variety can brighten up any meal with its palette of purple, yellow, and traditional orange roots. It's crisp, sweet, and absolutely delicious. And let's not forget the glass gem corn. Its translucent, jewel-like kernels are not just stunning to look at, they also pop into some of the most flavorsome popcorn you've ever tasted. Each heirloom vegetable brings its own story, taste, and vibrant color to your table. Ready to take your garden to the next level? Embrace the Green Thumb Challenge. Cultivating heirloom vegetables brings a unique satisfaction. Imagine the joy of tasting your very own homegrown produce. Grow an heirloom, and you're not only gardening but also preserving a piece of history. Or perhaps you're more of a kitchen wizard than a garden guru. No worries, heirloom vegetables offer a smorgasbord of unique flavors to experiment with in your cooking. Stir in a rainbow carrot or roast a blue potato. With heirloom vegetables, every meal becomes a culinary adventure. So, will you join us in this journey of flavors and colors? Remember, heirloom vegetables aren't just unique, but they carry a rich history and offer an exciting experience in both growing and cooking. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening and cooking adventures. Happy growing and cooking!